Imagine having the power to create professional audio, covers, and sound effects, all with just a few clicks. Introducing PopPop AI, your ultimate free AI tool for vocal removal, cover generation, and so much more. Let's dive in and explore its incredible features. First, let's explore the text-to-speech generation feature. Start by entering your text prompt in the input box. Select a voice that fits your style.
There are 4 gas giant planets in the solar system: Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune.
And don't forget, you can adjust the pitch for a personalized touch. Once you're satisfied, generate the audio and preview it.
Imagine standing in the heart of a dense rainforest, where the symphony of nature surrounds you. The rhythmic patter of raindrops on leaves creates a soothing melody.
But that's just the start. There's more to discover. Now, let's move on to generating AI-powered song covers. Start by uploading your audio or video file, or paste a URL.
Searching for a place to call my own. Every step I take, the rhythm starts to flow. A story of love, yet it begins to grow.
Choose a voice for the song cover. For instance, let's select the Donald Trump voice. Adjust the setting like vocal volume and instrumental volume, and hit Start. PopPop AI will process your file and create a custom cover. You can preview it.
I walk down the streets lost and alone, searching for a place to call my own. Every step I take, the rhythm starts to flow.
Ready to remix the sound? Let's move on to the next feature. PopPop AI also features a powerful AI vocal remover. Simply upload your audio file and let the tool work its magic. It will separate vocal and instrument in 2 different files. Preview each file.
I walk down the streets lost and alone, searching for a place to call my own. I walk down the streets lost and alone, searching for a place to call my own. Every step I take, the rhythm starts to flow. A story of love, yeah, it begins to grow.
Finally, let's check out the AI sound effect generator. Enter a descriptive text prompt and let PopPop AI create unique audio effects. Preview each file to find your perfect match. Once you're happy, share it on social media or copy its link. From text-to-speech to cover generation, vocal remover to sound effects, PopPop AI makes it all simple and free. Ready to transform your audio? Try it out now at PopPop AI. If you enjoyed the video, like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos.